to remove this window switch cover. For this we'll use a trim removal tool, and we'll start prying carefully, approximately from this side. So first we want the end, this end, to lift up. And then continue. There are a couple of clips right here that hold it in place. And then you'll be able to pull it up all the way. So we have a couple of small hooks on this side. That's why it is better to remove it from this end. We have 2 clips and 4 more metallic clips on the sides. Now you can disconnect electrical connectors, press right here and pull it out. Same with this one, press and pull, and the cover is off. Again, this is how it looks. And this is a part number for the switch cover. And for the switch button, we have the part number as well. Now we can reinstall the switch. The green one goes on the outside and the blue one goes on the inside. First make sure that the wires get in all the way, and you will guys start from this end. Make sure that this end clips in first, then carefully start pushing the rest of the clips in.